Welcome to the full review of the Ninja Professional Chopper from our short. Right away, for everyone who just saw our short and wants to find this product, the direct link to the Ninja Professional Chopper is waiting for you in the description and the pinned comment below. In the next minute, we're going to cover the top features that make this gadget so popular. The first thing you'll notice is just how simple it is to use. There are no complicated buttons, you just place the 200-watt power pod on top and press down. The unique 4-blade design works incredibly fast, giving you a perfect, even chop on everything from tough onions to delicate herbs in just a matter of seconds. But the truly clever part of the design is this: it comes with 2 stackable bowls, and each one has its own sealed storage lid. This is a game changer for meal prep. You can chop your onions in one bowl, then immediately chop your peppers in the second without stopping to wash up. Then, just seal the lids and they're ready to store in the fridge for later. Finally, the reviews speak for themselves. With over 9,000 reviews on Amazon UK and a 4.7-star rating, it's clearly a trusted and beloved tool in thousands of kitchens. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to tedious chopping and make your time in the kitchen faster and more enjoyable, remember, the direct link to the Ninja Chopper is waiting for you down below in the description.